Welcome to my CAD Tutor Revit Architecture Tutorials. In this session, you will learn to create the staircase by sketch option in Revit from a CAD imported file. To create the staircase, you need to import the DWG file. Go to the Insert tab and click on Import or Linked CAD, then browse the CAD file and press Open to import the file. As you can see, the file is imported in Revit. Now go to the Architecture tab and click on the Stair under Circulation panel, and then select the Create Sketch option. First, draw the boundary line. Then define the riser by pick option. Do some modifications if required, as I am doing on the screen. And finally, create the riser path. Then finish the process and go to 3D view so that you can have the visualization. Finish again to end the command. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.